Students, today I am going to start divisibility rules. Under divisibility rule, first of all, we will see the rule for divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. A number is divisible by 2, like if we have 2 raised to power 1. A number is divisible by 2 if unit digit has 0, or if unit digit has 0 or
even number.
it is divisible by 2, means it is even number. Next is divisibility rule for 2 raised to power 2, 4. 4 means 2 raised to power 2. A number is divisible by 4 if last 2 digits has 0, or it is divisible by 4, means last 2 digits divisible by 4. Next we have divisibility rule for 8. 8 means 2 raised to power 3 if last 3 digits has 0, last 3 digits has 0, or last 3 digits it is divisible by 8, and so on. So on means we have divisibility rule for 8. Next is 4, 2 raised to power 4. 2 raised to power 4, or you can say divisibility rule for 16. A number is divisible by 16 if last 4 digits has 0, or it means last 4 digits it is divisible
by 16.
Similarly, we can proceed next for 2 raised to power 5. Next we have for 2 raised to power 5. It is 32. Number is divisible by 32. Here it is 5. So if last 5 digits has 5 times 0, or it is divisible by 32, and so on. Similarly, we have 2 raised to power 6. We know 2 raised to power 6 is 64. A number is divisible by 64 if last 6 digits has 6 times 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or it is divisible by 64. You can proceed similarly in this way. Now I will discuss some examples based on these rules. For example, if we have a number 67345. 67345, and if we divide it with 2, what we will do? We will take last digit. Here last digit is 5. When we divide 5 with 2, we will get remainder 1. If we will get remainder 0, then the complete number is divisible by 2. If we will get remainder other than 0, then that number will not divisible by 2. Here remainder is 1, so this number is not divisible by 2. See one more example. If I have 3463 divided by 2. In this case, for divisibility by 2, I have to take last digit. I have to divide this 3 with 2. I will get remainder 1. Here remainder is not 0. As remainder is not 0, so the given number is not divisible by 2. I will take one more example. Suppose I have number 3466 and I divide this number with 2. What I have to do is, you have to take unit digit. Here unit digit is, last digit is 6. When you divide 6 with 2, I will get remainder 0. Here in this case, remainder is 0. So the complete number in this case is divisible by 2. See one more example. If I have number 4660 divided by 2, here last digit is 0, and according to rule of divisibility by 2, if last digit or unit digit is 0, then the complete number is divisible by 2. So the given number is divisible by 2. Now I will take some examples with divisibility rule for 4. I hope divisibility rule for 2 is clear to all of you. Now I will take divisibility by 4. I will take an example. If the number is 376793, I have to divide the given number with 3. What I have to do is, I have to divide 93 with 4. When you divide 93 with 4, what you will get? 4 to the 4 into 2, 8. Here it is 8. 4 into 2, it is 8. Now subtract, what you will get? 13. Now 4 into 3, 12. Remainder will be 1. Here in this case, remainder is 1. Remainder is other than 0. So the given number is not divisible by 4. I will take one more example. Suppose if number is 673 I have to divide this number with 4. What I have to do is, I have to consider last two digits. If last two digits are 0, then the complete number is divisible by 4. Or you have to divide last two digits with 4. When I divide 4 with 49 with 4, 4 into 4, 1, 4, remainder is 0. Next, 4 into 2, 8, remainder is 1. Again, remainder is 1, remainder is other than 0. So this number is not divisible by 4. Now I will take one more example. Suppose if the given number is 47399. Suppose the given number is 47399 and I have to check divisibility with 4. What I have to do? I have to simply divide 99 with 4. What I will get? Remainder as 3. Here remainder is other than 0, so the given number is not divisible by 4. Similarly, if I take one more example, 666 677 4. and I will divide it with 4. And when we divide last two digits, means some, in case of 4, you have to divide last two digits with 4. When you divide 74 with 4, you will get remainder as 2. And it is not 0, so the given number is not divisible by 4. Now, I will take some examples of divisibility by 8. For 8, last three digits must be 000 or last three digits must be divisible by 8. For example, 786 786 932 and 68762 and 76392. In first case, I have to divide last three digits with 8. When I divide 932 with 8, I will get remainder as 4, which is not 0. So this number is not divisible by 8. In second example, I have to divide last three digits with 8. When I divide 762 with 8, I will get remainder 2, which is not 0. So this number is again not divisible by 8. In last, when I divide 392 with 8, 392 with 8, I will get remainder as 0. So this complete number will be divisible by 8. Now I will take some examples based on divisibility rule for 2 raised to power 4 or 16. Suppose the given number is 2537562 divided by 60 and 7639247 divided by 60. In first case, I have to divide last four numbers with 16. When you divide last four numbers, means 7562 with 16, I will get remainder as 10, which is not 0. So the given number is not divisible by 16, as remainder is not 0. In second, I have to divide last four numbers. Last four numbers with 16. When you divide 9247 with 16, you will get remainder as 15, which is again not 0. So this number is also not divisible by 16. Similarly, you can go on for other rules, 32, 64. Now we will discuss divisibility rule for 3. Now we will discuss divisibility by 3. Whether the given number is divisible by 3 or not. Its rule is if sum of numbers, sum of numbers divisible by 3, then the given number is divisible by 3, otherwise not. For example, if I take number 7632475 with 3, what I will do, I will add these numbers. I will get 42 by 3. I simply add 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 5. It will come out to be 42. When I divide 42 with 3, now we divide 42 with 3. What I will get remainder 0, as 14 into 3 is 42. So the given number is divisible by 3. I have one more trick to simplify this number in quicker method. The rule is simply cut the number which comes in the table of 3, like cut 3, 6, 9, cut as many numbers as possible. Just see, 3, just cut 3, 3 into 2, 6, or sum of two numbers, 4 plus 2, it is 6. 4 plus 2 is 6 and 6 is divisible by 3. So I cut these numbers. Next, 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 is divisible by 3. So I cut it is 8 and 7. Now, 5 plus 7. At last, you are left with 5, 7 and 5. Now, add these two numbers, 5 plus 7. It is 12. 12 divided by 3. It is again remainder is 0. So I again cut these numbers. No number left at last. So the given number is divisible by 3. For example, I will take one more number to clear this concept. I will take one more lengthy number, like if the given number is 4, 8, 4, the given number is, I will start from here. 4, the given number is 8, 7, 6, 3, 4, 7, 6, 9, 5, 6, 3, 2, 4, 7. 4, this number I will take. Now I have to check whether the given number is divisible by 3 or not. What I have to do is simply cut the terms which comes under the table of 3 or combination of two numbers which come under the table of 3, like 3 1 the 3, 3 2 the 6, 3 2 the 6, 3 3 the 9, 3 1 the 3. Now try to combine two terms so that the sum of those two terms will come under the table of 3, like 4 plus 2, it will be 6 and 6 is coming under the table 3. So I will cut 2 and 4. Next, 6, 3 to the 6. 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8 is 15 and 15 comes under the table 3. Next, 7, 4, 5. 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 is 9 and 9 come under the table 3. So I will cut 5 and 4. Now I will left with 7 and 7. Now I have to divide 7 with 3. Simply add these two numbers, 7 plus 7. What you will get? 14. When you divide 14 with 3, what you will get? Remainder as 2. So here remainder is not 0. So the given number is not divisible by 3. I hope it is clear to all of you. I will take one more example to make this concept.
Ma'am.
Wait.
Ma'am.
Now in this example, I have to check whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. For it, first of all, cut 3, 6, 9, then sum equals to 3 or multiple of 3. Here it is 3, 3 into 2, 6, 3, 3 the 9, 3, 2 the 6, 3, 1 the 3, 3, 3 the 9, 3, 2 the 6, 3, 1 the 3, 3, 3 the 9. Now, try to make pair such that its sum will be divisible by 3, like 5 plus 4, it is 9, so it is divisible by 3. Next, 7 plus 2, it will be 9, it is divisible by 3, so I will cut 7 and 2. Next, 4 plus 2, it will be 6, 6 is divisible by 3, so I will cut 4 and 2. Next, 7 plus 8, 7 plus 8, it will be 15, 15 is divisible by 3, so I will cut 7 and 8. Next, 4 plus 2, it will be 6, and 6 is divisible by 3, so I will cut 2 and 4. Now I will left with the number 4 and only 4. Now when I divide 4 with 3, what I will get? I will get remainder as 1 instead of 0. Here remainder is 1 instead of 0. If remainder is 1, the given number is not divisible by 3. Now I will take some examples. Now next rule is divisibility by 9. Divisibility by 9 rule is same. You have in for divisibility by 9, sum of numbers will be divisible by 9. Sum of numbers will be divisible by 9. For example, if I will take one number 8, 7, 6, 3, 2, 4, 9, 6, 3, 2, 4, 7, 3, 5, 4, 1, 7, 8, and I have to divide this number with 9. First of all, cut 9, then cut sum equals to 9 or multiple of 9. First of all, cut 9. 9. Now try to make sum equals to 9 or multiple of 9. Here 4 plus 5, it will be 9. So I will cut 4 and 5. 8 plus 1, it will be 9. So I will cut 1 and 8. 6 plus 3, 9. So I will cut 6 and 3. 7 plus 2, it will be 9. So I will cut 7 and 2. 6 plus 3, it will be 9. So I will cut 6 and 3. 7 plus 2, it will be 9. So I will cut 2 and 7. Now I will left with 8, 4, 4, 3, and 7. Now 8 plus 4, 12, 12, and 8 plus 4, it will be 12. 12 plus 4, it will be 16. 16 and 3, it will be 19. 19 and 7, 19, 26. Try to make sum equals to 9 or multiple of 9. Here I will left with 26 by 9. When I will divide it with 9, I will get remainder as 8. Here remainder is not 0, so this number is not divisible by 9. So the given number is not divisible by 9. Next, I will discuss divisibility by 5. Next, I will discuss divisibility by 5. For divisibility by 5 rule, unit digit must be 0 or 5. Unit digit must be 0 or 5. We simply focus on unit digit. For example, 2, 6, 7, 4, 6, 7, 3, 2, 6, 7, 5, 4, 5, 8, 7, 6, 3, 6, 7, 3, 8, 7, 7, 7, 9, and 6, 3, 4, 0. In these examples, first of all, I consider first example. In first example, I have to see only unit digit. Here, unit digit is 4. But according to the rule, unit digit must be 0 or 5. Here, unit digit is neither 0 nor 5. Here, if we divide this number with 5, remainder will be 4. So, the given number is not divisible by 5. On second example, here unit digit is not 0, neither 0 nor 5. Here remainder will be 2. So the given number is not divisible by 5. See in next example, unit digit is 5. 5 is, if unit digit is 5, either 5 or 0, the given number is divisible by 5. So this number is divisible by 5, remainder is 0. This number will be divisible by 5. In this example, unit digit is neither 5 nor 0. Here remainder is 3. So the given number is not divisible by 5. In this example, unit digit is neither 5 nor 0. And when I divide it with 5, I will get remainder 3. So the given number is not divisible by 5. Here unit digit is neither 0 nor 5, remainder is 4. So the given number is not divisible by 5. Here unit digit is 0. So this number is completely divisible by 5. Next is divisibility by 6. A number is divisible by 6 if given number should be divisible by should be divisible by 2 and 3 both. If number is divisible by 2, if it is also divisible by 3, only then we can say number is divisible by 6. For example, if number is divisible by 2, but it is not divisible by 3, then we can't say number is divisible by 6. For example, if number is divisible by 3, but it is not divisible by 2, then also in this case, number is not divisible by 6. Number must be divisible by 2 and 3 both. Only then we can say number is divisible by 6. For example, if I take a number 6, for this, first of all, check whether this number is divisible by 2. You know divisibility rule for 2. Unit digit must be 0 or divisible by 2. And 6 is divisible by 2. So this number is divisible by 2. Now I have to check whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. And the rule for divisibility for 3 will is sum of number must be divisible by 6. Here single number 6, it is divisible by 3. As the given number is divisible by 2 and 3, so it will be divisible by 6. Next, I have divisibility by 10. If unit digit has 0, then number is divisible by 10. Unit or last digit must have 0. Unit or last digit must have 0. For example, if I take number 1, 2, 3, 4, whether this number is divisible by 10 or not, you simply take last digit or unit digit. Here it is 4, it is not 0, so this number is not divisible by 10. Next, I have divisible by 12 rule. Divisibility by 12. Divisibility by 12. A number is divisible by 12. Number should be divisible by 3 and 4 both. Number should be divisible by 3 and 4 both. Only then it is completely divisible by 12. For example, if I take one example, suppose I have number 431. Suppose I have 4, 3, 1 and 4, 6, 2. I have to check whether the number is divisible by 12 or not. For this, I have to check whether the given number is divisible by 4 and then whether it will be divisible by 3. If it must, the number is divisible by 12 only if must be divisible by 3 and also by 4. We know rule for 4. 4 means 2 square, means last 2 digits either 0, 0 or divisible by 4. Last 2 4 divisibility for 4 rule we know, and we know 62 is not divisible by 4. If 62 is not divisible by 4, then the complete number is not divisible by 4. And here the case fail. For 12, it must be divisible by 4, but it fails the condition for divisibility rule for 4. So I must say the given number is not divisible by 4. If it is divisible by 4, then we go for 3. We check for 3. If it is divisible by 4 and it is divisible by 3, only then it is completely divisible by 12. Otherwise, not. Next, I have divisibility by 7 rule. Divisibility by 7. Next, we have divisibility by 7. Next, we have divisibility by 7. For I will explain this rule with the help of an example. Suppose I have a number. I have a number 343. For this, step 1 is whatever number is given to you, simply multiply unit digit, multiply unit digit by 2. Here unit digit is 3. So multiply 3 with 2. What you will get? 6. This is step 1. Simply multiply unit digit with 2. Now next step 2 is subtract this 6 from remaining digits. Subtract this 6 from remaining digits, or you can say remaining number. Now remaining number is 34. Remaining number is 34. So subtract 34, subtract 6 from 34. What you will get? When you subtract 6 from 34, what you will get? 28. Next, step 3 is if resultant, like here, resultant is 28. If resultant digits is divisible by 7, then given number is divisible by 7. Here 28 is divisible by 7, so given number is divisible by 7. If not, otherwise not. Otherwise not means if resultant digits is not divisible by 7, then given number is not divisible by 7. I will take one more example to clear the divisibility rule for 7 concept. For example, the given number is 1274. What is step 1? Multiply unit digit by 2. So 4 multiply 2, it will be 8. Step 2 is subtract 8 from remaining digits. Subtract 8 from remaining digits means remaining number minus number obtained in step 1. Number obtained in step 1. Now remaining number is 127. Number obtained in step 1 is 8. What we will get? 9. Here it is 1 and 1. And now to check it, again repeat the same process for 7. Now again repeat the same process for 7. Like multiply unit digit by 2. What is unit digit here now? 9. Simply multiply it with 2. What you will get? You will get 9 multiplied 2. You will get 18. You will get 18. When you subtract 11 from 18, because next step is remaining number. Remaining number is 11 and number obtained in step 1 is 18. When I subtract 18 from 11, I will get minus 7. Now, clearly 7 is divisible by 7. 7 is divisible by 7. As if result is divisible by 7, then the given number is also divisible by 7. So the given number is completely divisible by 7. I hope it is clear to all of you. Next we have divisibility by 11 rule. Step 1 is add odd places number. Add odd places number. Step 2 is add even places number. Step 3 is step 2 minus. You have to simply take the difference of previous two steps. You have to consider step 1 first. Step 1 minus step 2. Step 1 minus step 2. If resultant is 0 or multiple of 11, then whole number is divisible by 11. otherwise not. Otherwise not. Odd places number on the places first position, third position, fifth position. Even means a number placed on second, fourth, sixth, even positions. For example, in this example, first step is add odd places. 1, 5, 3, 2. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 2. You will get 11. Now even places. 2 plus 7, 9, 9 plus 4, 13. 11 minus 13, it is minus 2. Resultant is neither 0 nor multiple of 11. So the given number is not divisible by 2. We have one more method for divisibility rule for 11. I will explain it with an example. For example, if I have a number, suppose I have a number 2, 4, 3, 7, 5, 2, 1. First of all, make pairs. Make pairs. Here you can take 0, 4, making pair. Subtract these pairs. Subtract these pairs like 2 minus 1, 1. 7 minus 5, 2. Ignore negative sign. 4 minus 3, 1. 0 minus 2, it is 2. Ignore negative sign. Now add them. Add them. 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1. What you will get? You will get 6. And 6 is not divisible by 11. So the given number is not divisible by 11. I will take one more example. Suppose the given number is 1, 1, 2, 2, and 4, 4. First step is make 2, 2 pair starting from right hand side. 1 pair, 2 pair, and 3 pair. Now take difference. 0, 0, 0. Add them. What you will get? 0. 0 is divisible by 11. So the given number is divisible by 11. Next is divisibility by 13. Step 1 is, for step 1, you have to multiply given number or unit number with 4. Multiply unit digit by 4. Step 2 is add it in the remaining number. Add it into rest or remaining rest of the number or remaining number. Step 3 is, if it means resultant, divisible by 13, then given number is divisible by 13, otherwise not. Otherwise not. What you have to do is, first step is multiply unit digit with 4. What you will get, add it in the remaining number. On addition, what resultant you will get, if it is divisible by 13, then given number is divisible by 13, otherwise not. For example, if I take number 169, we know 13 square is 169. But if I don't know 13 square is 169, I want to check it with the divisibility rule. What I will do is multiply unit digit with 4. You know, when you multiply unit digit with 4, what you will get? 36. Now add 16 and 36, 6, 6, 12, 3, 1. You will get 52. Now 13 into 4 is 52. It is divisible by 13. So the given number is divisible by 13. If you don't know 13 into 4 is 52, you can repeat the process. Multiply unit digit with 4. 4 into 2, you will get 8. Add these two numbers. What you will get? 13. Now 13 is divisible by 13. So the given number 169 is divisible by 13. You can repeat the process. If it is doubtful, you can repeat the process. See one question. If you have 5, 8, 7, x, 3, 2, if this number is divisible by 11 and you have to find the value of x. What is the value of x? Simply take pairs, take two pairs from right hand side, and next step is take their difference. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Here you get 7 minus x. In variable case, you can take negative sign. 5 minus 8. It is minus 3. Next step is add these three numbers. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 minus 3. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 minus 3. What you will get? 5 minus x. Now, it is given 5 minus x is divisible by 11. Then what is the value of x? Means here we have to apply the rule for divisibility for 11, and we know a number is divisible by 11 if if it is divisible by 11 or or it is 0. It is 0 or multiple of 11 according to rule. Now if it is 0, then value of x is 5. As if remainder is 0, either remainder is 0 or it is divisible by 11. If remainder of all, it will be 0 or it is divisible by 11. Now see one more example. Statement is 359359352. Is it divisible by 7? Is it divisible by, first part is 7, second is 11, and third is 13. Whether it is divisible by 7, 11 or 13. Using shortcut trick, first of all, make 3 pairs and then take their sum and then subtract. Make 3 pairs. After making 3 pairs, add them. First of all, make 3 pairs and take their sum. Now take their sum plus these three numbers. Add these three numbers. what you will get? You will get and 17 and 10. Next step is take their difference. 17 minus 10. It is 7. And if it is divisible by 7, then given number is divisible by 7. If it is also divisible by 11 and 13, then whole number is divisible by 11 and 13. But 7 is not divisible by 11. So whole number is not divisible by 11. 7 is not divisible by 13. So the whole number is not divisible by 13. It is only divisible by 7.